same-sex marriage. Do you agree or disagree?
Try to pick just one answer.
I don't agree with same-sex marriage, but I also don't agree with discrimination. In fact, we really have to put a lot of mechanism and laws to eliminate discrimination here in our country. Tayong lahat ay galing sa iba't ibang pananaw, iba't ibang paniniwala. Dapat igalang natin ating isa't isa, bigyan natin ng respeto, no? Kahit na iba yung ating paniniwala sa kasarian. Igalang natin yung karapatan ng mga nagsasama, igalang po natin kung ano yung kanilang pinaniniwalaan, pero to institutionalize same-sex marriage, hindi po ako pabor doon. Pero yung irespeto po natin yung gumagawa nito, bigyan po natin sila ng galang at wag po natin bigyan ng diskriminasyon. Yun po yung essence nung sinasabi ko, na misquote lang po ako dahil sinabi ko pa noon, pati si Justice Scalia bago namatay pumirma din po doon.
No to same-sex marriage. You know, ang kasal po, isang banal na pagsasama ng babae at lalaki. Banal. Nanggaling sa banal na kasulatan, itinuro ng Diyos. Yung gustong mag-asawa, lalaki at babae, walang lalaki at lalaki, babae at babae, dahil gusto ng Diyos lumawak ang pamilya, tumibay ang pamilya at dumami ang tao. Yung mga gustong magsama na LGBT, bahala sila sa buhay nila. Pero para i-require pa kanila kami na ikasal sila, sobra na akong kasalanan niya. You know, ang sabi sa banal na kasulatan, mahal sila ng Diyos, at pag nagsisi sila, patatawarin sila ng Diyos.
By definition of marriage, it must be sa family code between the same sex and must be between different sex and must be permanent. But we must recognize the legal consequences of a domestic partnership, the legal consequences of same-gender relationships. Immediately, I am for the passage of a non-discrimination law which will recognize the rights of same-sex partners to adopt, to have co-own properties, to have joint bank accounts. But yung marriage before the church, ibang usapan yan kasi separation of church and state yan.
Thank you,